look at these consumer durable goods, particularly the white goods, the AC manufacturers in particular, these are some stocks that are taking a beating in today's trading session because the overall sector is down. Let's understand why. This has been led largely by the fall that we've seen in PG Electroplast ever since last week after they cut their guidance for FY26. There's also early monsoon impacting summer sales. Inventories issues, they still persist for dealers. They were anticipating a good summer, but there was a shortened summer this time, so lots of inventory overhang has remained with the dealers, and weak numbers from Voltas also. So now let's delve into all of these reasons one by one. First up, let's talk about PG Electroplast. Quarter one net profit was down by 20% on a year-on-year basis. They've cut their revenue guidance to 18% from 30% earlier. They cut their EBITDA margin guidance by 125 to 150 bips as well. So very big cut coming over here as well. Capex has also been cut, that guidance, and they've also refrained from sharing any FY27 guidance. So all of these negatives are marring the PG Electronics stock today. Let's come to Voltas. Weak numbers coming in, a miss versus all estimates. Net profit is down 58%, margins have contracted too, and Voltas has said that they expect the FY26 industry growth to be flattish, anywhere between just 5 and 10% for FY26. Let's come to Blue Star now, because Blue Star is also a stock that is down. Blue Star cut production by 20% in May and 25% in June. They aim to grow 25 to 30% in the month of April, but they grew only 5%, so their quarter one was weak too as well. And they see a 10 to 15% growth in unitary cooling products from in FY26, down from 20% earlier. They also expect a reduction of 5 to 10% for overall FY26 earnings estimate as well. If you take a look at where these stocks are faring from their 52-week high, PG Electronics is low by 52%, Voltas low by 36%, and Blue Star down 27% from their individual 52-week highs. So this is the state of the entire white goods condition sector right now, largely hampered by the extended monsoon that we've seen this time.